here, you'll see I actually have an example, and this again is included in the download. So you can see I selected that I was a high school teacher, the content or the specific standard that I'm looking at from the North Carolina Standard Course of Study is Earth and Environmental Science. I did include the actual vocabulary for that specific unit. I told you that I have more than 30 students in class because if you, like me, and you've been a high school teacher, you typically have between 25 to sometimes 35. I had a class before 40, but that's neither here or there. Then you can, I said there was a mixability level of students. I told my prompt that I wanted no more than 15 minutes long for this actual assignment. Then I said, you know, the math computations when it comes to that specific standards where my students are struggling, but they are strong with the vocabulary. Then I told it, hey, this is what I actually have in my classroom. So here's what you do next. You want to copy, and then you actually want to paste it into ChatGPT, or you can use Gemini if you wanted to. You can use either one, whatever your preference, okay? And so I'll open Gemini as well. But here goes your task that you can actually include into your lesson plan. Or you may have seen between periods or blocks, whatever your school schedule is on right now. You can just, you may say, hey, you know what, it didn't go well in first period. Let me try to switch this up. You can switch it up because you have something right here at hand that you can use. In Gemini, and let me go back to chat. Here goes your task. In chat, it actually breaks down that math we were talking about, that complex math. It tells you the effective, it even tells you the time, it gives you differentiation strategies, and it provides you with an exit ticket.